Disposable dispensers are portable and lightweight, great on tables, in break rooms, on picnics, or anywhere you need napkins. 2ply embossed napkins provide softness, strength and absorbency for a premium feel. Hygienic because the closed dispensing system helps protect against germs. Reusable design simply snaps open for refilling with up to 150 napkins. Compatible with Dixie Ultra Interfold 2ply paper napkins 32006 and 32019. Designed for the 21st century, Dixie Ultra Interfold Napkin Dispensers and refills serve up smart solutions for break room, food service and concession operators with hygienic dispensing that meets the needs of patrons while providing a cost-effective supply for your business. The Dixie Ultra Interfold Napkin systems, previously branded EasyNap, are available in countertop, tabletop, tower and in-counter options, all with a sleek design that enhances any decor. Removable inserts in the dispensers allow you to add your company logo and marketing message to promote your brand. Designed with a one-at-a-time dispensing format, the dispensers help minimize waste and improve hygiene, while reducing usage by 30% when switching from larger standard full-fold style napkins in a QSR environment. They're compatible with our 2ply embossed Interfold napkins, which deliver softness, strength, absorbency and a premium feel that customers will appreciate. GP Pro is a division of Georgia-Pacific Consumer Products. We deliver well-designed, durable and cost-effective serving solutions for break rooms, restaurants and other general food service needs. Top reviews from the United States. Totally in love with it. I got this for home use. We usually use cloth napkins for meals, but recently I found I couldn't keep up with washing them. It occurred to me that my 3 teenagers have many friends over and they seem to eat constantly. They were using my cloth napkins for plates, napkins, makeup blotters. You name it, I think my cloth napkins saw it. I put this on the table and now they just grab napkins from here and do whatever they need to do. My table stays neat, my cloth napkins aren't being used and I'm very happy. A friend's mom saw it and loved it so much I bought her one. Great product for a busy house.